Hey everyone, it's Darren, everyone's favorite hillbilly in the trailer hood. Today, I am sitting in a field, along with that cat, in Shullsburg, Wisconsin, somewhere north of there. And at any rate, I was hired to come up here and play with the cats. No, not really. But anyway, I was hired to come up here, grab this old house, and take it down the road 40 or 50 miles in order to be able to provide some housing for somebody's family member. Anyway, I don't know the story on it. The purpose of the video is to entertain people with cats and explain why who you hire matters. In this particular video, we want to talk a little bit about axle maintenance. Talk about axles and why they matter when it comes to transporting manufactured housing. If the guy you hire is just a $2 truck, if the guy doesn't really care about the undercarriage and things of that nature, you, as the owner, as the shipper of the house, could have some significant liability. What happens is these houses sit out here, and you can see these houses sit out here, and they get to the point where everything becomes very, very rusty, very corroded. Inside here, you have to have, inside here, you have your, yeah, there we go. There, look at that. You have your axles on the end of your hub and the neighborhood farm cat.